If you haven't updated your travel gear in a few years, there's a good chance you're still packing things that belong in 2010. Airports have changed, airplanes have changed, and even the way we travel has evolved faster than ever before. But most travelers, they're still dragging around bulky, outdated, and sometimes even banned items that only make their trip harder. So before your next flight, take a good look inside your luggage. Because these are 13 outdated travel items you should never bring on a plane anymore, and what you should pack instead. Once considered stylish and organized, those little leather passport covers are now more of a hassle than a help. TSA officers require you to remove your passport every single time you go through security. That means unzipping, unfolding, fumbling, and slowing down the line every time. What to do instead? Keep your passport easily accessible in a jacket or bag pocket just for the security line. Once you're through, move it to a secure zipped inner pocket or travel pouch. And always snap a photo of your passport's info page. Store it securely on your phone in case of loss or theft abroad. Your big everyday wallet doesn't belong on international trips. It's bulky, full of unused cards, and a goldmine for digital pickpockets. Modern thieves can skim credit cards right through your purse or pocket. What to pack instead? A minimalist RFID blocking travel wallet with only the essentials: one credit card, your ID, and a backup. The smaller your wallet, the safer and easier it is to manage on the move. If you've been using the same power bank since 2018, it's time to retire it. Older models can overheat and even pose fire risks mid-flight. That's why airlines ban them from checked luggage. Upgrade tip: modern chargers now include built-in safety sensors that regulate temperature. Brands like Anchor and Belkin have models with automatic shut-off features, small, powerful, and safe to carry on board. So, those soft duffel bags that hang from your shoulder might look adventurous. Yeah, they really do. But after like 3 terminals and 2 layovers, they'll totally destroy your back. Even those so-called crossbody duffels are just awkward to carry, especially when you're rushing through airports. Here's a smart swap. Use a rolling duffel or a compact spinner backpack. They just glide effortlessly through terminals, fit overhead, and honestly, they'll save your shoulders from some serious strain. If your suitcase still has just 2 wheels, you'll notice the difference instantly. Dragging it behind you through those long airport corridors is, well, pretty inefficient and exhausting. So, upgrade to a 4-wheeled spinner suitcase. You can push it upright, navigate narrow aisles, and just glide into restrooms or cafes without wrestling your luggage through tight spaces. It's honestly one of those upgrades you'll never regret. Big, bulky toiletry kits are a nightmare for modern travelers. They take up like half your suitcase and make you pack way more than you actually need. The smarter move? Use modular pouches or stackable travel kits. Just separate your liquids, skincare, and grooming tools into smaller sections that fit right inside your carry-on. It's lighter, more flexible, and hey, TSA loves it. Alright folks, packing shoes for, every situation is one of the oldest travel mistakes in the book. Heavy sneakers and boots, well, they waste valuable luggage space and add weight that airlines just love to charge for. So, try this instead. Wear your bulkiest pair on the plane and pack 1 lightweight pair for walking. And hey, if you need sneakers, get waterproof travel shoes with removable insoles. They're compact, comfortable, and can handle almost any destination. They might look cozy, but ponchos are a nightmare inside airplane cabins. They snag on armrests, fall into neighboring seats, and make bathroom breaks way too complicated. A better choice? A fitted sweater or travel wrap that keeps you warm without getting tangled. Cashmere or merino wool is ideal. Soft, breathable, and never bulky. So, the old inflatable neck pillows are officially retired. They deflate mid-flight, lose shape, and make sleeping upright nearly impossible. Here's the modern fix. Use a structured travel pillow with built-in chin or side support. The best ones fold flat or clip to your carry-on handle, saving space while keeping your head supported the entire flight. So, those bulky converter blocks you plug into adapters? Yeah, they're pretty outdated. They're heavy, inefficient, and honestly unnecessary for most modern electronics these days. Instead, what you should do is buy dual voltage devices like curling irons, shavers, and laptop chargers. Then, just pack one simple plug adapter that matches your destination. It's lighter, safer, and, way less frustrating. Traditional wired or over-ear headphones take up too much space and, honestly, tangle way too easily. They also make it harder to move freely during long-haul flights, which is just not ideal. Better upgrade. Use wireless earbuds with noise cancellation and a short safety tether. They save space, reduce clutter, and still block out crying babies and engine noise. They might feel safe, but hidden money belts are awkward, slow, and honestly pretty obvious to pickpockets. The moment you dig under your clothes for cash, you're signaling exactly where your valuables are. Travel smarter. Use a slash-resistant crossbody bag with a small tracker inside, like a tile or AirTag. Keep one card in your wallet, one in your hotel safe, and one in your bag. You'll stay safer and move faster. If you've ever said, "I might need this," you probably don't. Extra chargers, backup sweaters, 3 pairs of headphones, these just-in-case items fill your suitcase and, honestly, empty your patience. Every pound matters. Pack for the trip you're actually taking, not the one you're imagining.
Your next airport mistake could get you searched, flagged, or even banned from flying. TSA is watching your every move. And if you make just one of these 7 mistakes, you could be stopped on the spot. Most travelers have no idea they're doing these things until it's too late. So in this video, I'll show you what really gets you flagged, why TSA secretly watches some people, and how to avoid losing hundreds in surprise fees. Before we start the video, please subscribe to my channel. With this, you are helping me grow and make even greater videos for you guys. Alright, let's kick this off with a big one. Banned items. You'd think it's obvious, right? But you wouldn't believe the crazy stuff people try to sneak past TSA. And no, we're not just talking about the Hollywood stuff like guns or grenades. Some of the worst offenders are actually normal, everyday items that you probably have in your bag right now. Take a metal water bottle. Sounds harmless, but to an X-ray scanner, it could look like a pipe bomb. Seriously, save yourself the headache. Ditch the drama before you even get to the line. And let's not forget the classic airport villain, liquids. TSA's got zero chill about that stuff. Just remember the golden rule. 311, 3.4 ounces per container, 3.4 ounces per container, and only 1 bag per person. Easy, right? But break the rule and you'll be that person, unpacking shampoo in front of a line of 40 angry travelers. So here's the deal. Before you fly, just check the TSA banned items list. It's always changing. Stay smart, stay cleared. So your bags are packed. But wait, before you leave, ask yourself one thing. What are you wearing to the airport? Because dressing like you're climbing Everest might save space in your luggage, but it's gonna slow you down at TSA big time. The truth is, your outfit can make or break your airport experience. It's not just about style. It's about comfort, speed, and getting through security without a hassle. Let's start with the worst offender. Heavy boots, great for hiking, terrible for TSA. They take forever to remove, and they'll 100% set off the scanner. And ditch the metal. Belts, big watches, jewelry. Leave them in your carry-on or at home. Layering up to save space. That'll just slow you down even more. Security hates digging through 4 layers, and so will you. Planes can get cold, sure, but one light sweatshirt you can take off is all you need. Dress smart, fly smooth. You'll thank yourself when you're breezing through security while everyone else is unpacking their wardrobe. We've talked about what you pack and what you wear. But here's something travelers totally overlook. How you act. Yep, your attitude at the airport could be the reason you get flagged. Or breeze right through. Look anxious, act shady, and they'll zero in on you. Sure, airports are stressful. Crowds, lines, security everywhere. But if you're fidgeting and sweating like you've got something to hide, they'll assume you do. So here's the rule. Stay chill, stay calm. Don't act like you're in an action movie. And for the love of travel, don't make jokes about bombs or weapons. Yes, people still do that. And yes, it goes badly every time. Next up, eye contact. Too little, you look sketchy. Too much, you look aggressive. The sweet spot? Just a quick, confident glance. It says, I'm normal, I'm fine, I've got nothing to hide. Bottom line, act natural, be polite, follow the rules. The more relaxed you seem, the less likely TSA is to bother you. Let's be honest, we all love our gadgets. Phones, tablets, laptops, headphones. But at the airport, less is more. The more tech you carry, the more time you'll waste unpacking it all at security. A backpack full of electronics? It's slow, awkward, and way more likely to get damaged or stolen. Each device needs its own bin. You'll be holding up the line while juggling laptops and chargers like it's a tech circus. And TSA agents? They notice. Too many gadgets can look suspicious, especially if you're only on a short trip. Stick to the essentials. One phone, maybe a tablet, and one laptop max if you actually need it. And make sure everything's charged and ready to go. A dead battery could get your gear flagged or even searched. Sometimes TSA will ask you to turn on your laptop or phone to prove it's legit. Be ready or get ready to explain. So here's the hack. Pack light. Power up. The less tech you bring, the smoother your trip will be. You're at airport security. The line's crawling. Your heart's pounding. Then boom, it's your turn. You unzip your bag and total chaos. Clothes spilling out, toiletries rolling, can't find your boarding pass. Here's the fix. Carry-on chaos is optional. A little planning turns your bag into a smooth operating security breezing machine. First rule, get a clear toiletry bag. This isn't a suggestion, it's a TSA survival tool. Next, use packing cubes or small pouches. Keep chargers, cables, and gadgets in clearly labeled sections. And please, put your boarding pass and ID in an easy access pocket, not buried under 3 pairs of socks. A messy bag wastes time. An organized one? It gets you through security like a seasoned pro, so take a few minutes to pack smart and skip the stress, the struggle, and the stink eye from TSA. You packed your bags, you're dressed to fly, you're feeling great. But there's one thing that can ruin it all. Bad travel documents. Sounds boring? Maybe. But trust me, one typo could stop you from boarding. First, make sure the name on your boarding pass matches your ID exactly. Middle names, extra letters, they matter. Even a small mismatch can trigger extra screening or denied boarding. Now triple check your flight details. Date, time, departure airport, arrival city. If it doesn't match your plans, you're in trouble. Flying internationally. Check your passport expiration. It needs to be valid for at least 6 months past your return date. And here's a power move. Photocopy all your key documents. Passport, visa, license, credit cards, keep backups somewhere safe. Because when tech fails or stuff gets lost, those copies can save your entire trip. Bottom line, your documents are your golden ticket. Check them once, check them twice, and then fly stress-free. Alright, we've covered a lot today, but there's one final mistake that's worth repeating. Never, ever joke about security at the airport. Sounds obvious, right? But you'd be shocked how many people still think it's hilarious to drop a joke about bombs or smuggling snacks. Here's the truth. Airport security isn't playing games. There are 0 punchlines in this part of your trip. TSA agents and law enforcement treat every word seriously. Say the wrong thing, even sarcastically, and you're going to regret it. Because even if you're just kidding, they're not. That funny comment can lead to real consequences. You could be detained, questioned, or even arrested on the spot. You might miss your flight, get slapped with hefty fines, or worst of all, get banned from flying altogether. Trust me, it's not worth it. There's no joke funny enough to land you on the no-fly list. So what's the move? Simple. Keep it respectful. Keep it serious. Smile, nod, and keep your jokes for later. You'll fly safer, faster, and way less stressed. Fly safe, my friends. So there you have it, guys. 7 TSA mistakes that could ruin your trip. I know airport security can be a hassle, but by following these simple tips, you can breeze through those checkpoints like a pro. Want to avoid TSA trouble forever? Hit that subscribe button and travel smarter every time. We've got tons of awesome travel tips and tricks coming your way. And if you want to learn even more shocking airport security secrets, check out this next video. You won't believe what they don't want you to know.